Okay, so it sounds like you have fun. Okay, so today we are going to learn about something interesting. Can you guess what the topic for today?
Giving
Yes, it's about giving announcement. Actually, this topic is something you often find in real life situation. For example, when your school posts an upcoming event or someone announce a loose item. So I hope after the end of lesson, after the end this class,
Okay, excuse me, for the observer, I have sent a link for observation checklist or observation notes. Yeah, you can write down your inputs, comments, or suggestions to the teachers. Is it visible, available for you? Bisa? Untuk observer? Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I hope after the end this class, you will understand how to make an announcement correctly and confidently. So before we start our lesson, let's check your attendance. So, is everyone here today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job, class. Okay, we move to, this is our learning focus. We have the definition of announcement, the types of announcement, the general structure of announcement, and the step to make an announcement. And we have our learning objectives. So the first is students are able to understand the meaning contextually related to the social function, text structure, and language features of a specific text in the form of an announcement. And the second is produce a specific text in the form of an announcement, but spoken or written, short and simple, by paying attention to its social function, text structure, and language features correctly and appropriately according to the context. So, in other words, when you make an announcement, students should be able to not only read an announcement but also create them. For example, about anything like about a school, competition, or even about health campaigns. Okay, so we move to the definition of announcement. An announcement is a written or spoken statement delivered in public. We can using formal and informal language to make an announcement. Which context we have a purpose is to give information about an event that has happened or will happen. We usually use two tenses like simple present or simple future, so that people can know what, when, and where an event take place or will take place. Okay. I have some example in language and in formal and informal language. Okay. This is when I use formal language, like there will be a meeting or all Formal language. Okay. So what about when we use informal language? Any volunteer? Okay, so when we make informal English, we can use like this. I think we usually use when we send via WhatsApp in our group.
Yesterday we were meeting.
Hey guys. Don't forget. We will have an English contest on Monday. At I think 9 a.m. in the hall. Okay. So anyone, can you find what is different?
Yes, ma'am.
Just raise your hand. For based on the example, can you find the purpose to give announcement information? Yeah. Okay. Okay. And this is our types of announcement. We have several types. The first is public service announcement. For example, like information about health, safety, or even about environment. And the second is school announcement. For example, about holidays, exam, or anything like even. And the third is job announcement. We found in online or in newspaper. And the fourth is promotion announcement, like when someone met product sellers and so on. And the fifth is marriage and wedding announcements. I think it's the personal situation when we make an announcement. Okay. So this is some example about announcement based on the types. We have on the right we have keep our school clean. It's about reminding students to through the trash in the bin. It's about school announcement. And on the left, I think gives the tile about time, death, and it's about this is that is service public service announcement, and on the left about school announcement. Okay, can you guess?
Job announcement.
On the right is
Promotion.
and on the left,
Job announcement. Left.
and this is about
Wedding
and marriage
announcement.
Okay, so from some example, we can see that announcement always include clear information, and then so when you make an announcement letter, remember, be clear and be to the point. Okay. And this is we have the general structure of announcement. The first is stating purpose, explaining the purpose of why the event is being held. The second is stating date and date, mentioning when the event will take place or take place. And the third is stating place, mentioning where the event will be held. And the last is informing sender, stating who is organizing the event and providing the contact person who can be present. Okay, so if I say an example about the general structure, like English club meeting, Friday 2 p.m. in the library, organized by the English teachers. Okay. Can you identify which one is the stating purpose?
Can you repeat?
Please write in your book. Okay. For example, English club meeting, Friday 2 p.m. in the library, organized by the English teacher. Okay, so can you identify which one is starting purpose?
English club meeting. So the purpose is want to have a meeting.
English club meeting. Okay, thank you, Hesti. And can you identify which one is getting the
Free day to play.
Okay,
That's right.
thank you, Nifta. And which one is stating place?
Library.
Okay. And which one is informing sender?
English teacher.
Yeah. English teachers. Okay. And this is when you make an announcement, you should understand how the title show the main point of the announcement, opening compact or closely. Okay. So this is step to make an announcement. Only two types of tenses. The tenses used in the sentence are only two types: simple present and simple future. Which one? The simple future for the example. Healthy carbohydrates.
Itu simple present tense. Yeah, that's a simple present. And the simple future is
Simple
future. Health is the most important thing in our life. Eating nutrition is one of those things.
Good job. And what about the simple future?
October.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, so determine the purpose. The purpose of this announcement is to inform seminar participants about the types of carbohydrates that are good for the body and their benefits for health. What the determine of the purpose?
Energy sources. We have. Oh yeah. The title.
Is overview.
Oh, like energy sources.
Just showing what the overview, like energy source, generate. Okay. So what about determine of the opening sentence? Healthy carbohydrates
Seminar.
And the fourth is clear and the announcement should be short and clear without being too long or containing unnecessary explanation. Okay. So when you make an announcement, please reminder the announcement should be clear and to the point. But that's all of the example. We have one accord. So an announcement have purpose. It is to give information to others. Okay. Okay, so please make a circle. Yeah.
Circle 1, 2, and 3.
I think just only two circles.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think that's enough, class. Thank you your great attention. Thanks for your attention. Good job, everyone. So next time, you will practice making your own short announcement or in pairs. So thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.